You won't believe where people are saving the most. It's not in the usual suspects. We're talking about countries that'll make you rethink your saving strategy, and we've got a surprise at the top of the list. Kuwait takes the crown with an astonishing 48.8% of its population stashing away cash. Let's take a look at where people save the most around the world. The chart shows us that savings rates are generally rising, with some countries leading the pack. At the top of the list, we have Kuwait with an impressive 48.8% of its citizens saving regularly. That's a significant chunk of their income going straight into savings. As we move down the chart, we see other countries like Brunei, Darussalam, and Macau, Special Administrative Region of China, also doing well, but with slightly lower rates. Overall, it's great to see people prioritizing their financial futures. In Kuwait, people save a whopping 48.8% of their income. That's one of the highest savings rates in the world. This means that out of every dollar earned, nearly half is put away for the future. For individuals, this level of saving can provide a safety net and long-term financial security, giving them peace of mind and flexibility to pursue their goals. Here's a look at where people save the most, and Brunei Darussalam takes the top spot with an impressive savings rate of 45.9%. This means that nearly half of what Bruneians earn is being put away for the future, a remarkable feat of financial discipline. For those who aspire to similar habits, studying how this country's culture and policy support saving could be incredibly insightful. In Macau, Special Administrative Region of China, people save a significant amount of their income. Specifically, 44.6% of what they earn goes into savings. This is one of the highest savings rates in the world. And it's worth noting that having such a high percentage of disposable income set aside can provide a sense of financial security for individuals and families. In Bermuda, people are saving a significant chunk of their income, 43.4% to be exact. This means that out of every dollar earned, nearly half is being set aside for the future. It's worth noting that having such a high savings rate can provide a sense of financial security and stability, allowing individuals to weather unexpected expenses or invest in long-term goals. In China, people save a significant amount of their income, exactly 42.6% to be precise. This means that out of every dollar earned, nearly half is put aside for the future. For individuals, it's essential to understand this number because it highlights the importance of saving in Chinese culture and economy, influencing how people plan for retirement, big purchases, or unexpected expenses. In Iraq, people save a significant amount of their income, 41.1% to be exact. This means that out of every dollar earned, nearly half is set aside for the future. For individuals living in Iraq, having such a high savings rate can provide a sense of financial security and stability, allowing them to weather economic ups and downs with confidence. In Algeria, people save a significant portion of their income, exactly 40.8% to be precise. This means that nearly half of what Algerians earn goes into savings, which can provide financial security and stability in uncertain times. For individuals, saving at this rate can help build a safety net for emergencies and long-term goals, giving them peace of mind and more control over their finances. In Cambodia, people save a significant portion of their income, 38.8% to be exact. This means that nearly 4 out of every $10 they earn goes into savings. That's a substantial amount, and it can have a big impact on individuals' financial stability and security. For those who are saving regularly, this habit can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses or long-term goals. It looks like we've got a clear winner here. The top 3 countries where people save the most are Kuwait, Brunei Darussalam, and Macau Special Administrative Region of China, with savings rates of 48.8%, 45.9%, and 44.6% respectively. These numbers show that these nations have a strong culture of saving, which is great for building financial stability and security. The takeaway here is that some countries are really crushing it when it comes to saving, and we can all learn from their habits. It looks like we've got a surprise on our hands. Kuwait takes the top spot, with an astonishing 48.8% of its people saving their hard-earned cash. But it's not just about the numbers. What does this mean for ordinary folks? It means that in Kuwait, people are prioritizing financial security and planning for the future. And if you're curious to learn more about where your money goes around the world, be sure to subscribe to The Numbers.